So I'll repeat the put side option. Ashutosh, once you tell me that till what topic you are able to listen.
Can you just repeat these things? ATM, OTM, and ITM.
So on the call side also you are not able to listen.
Yeah, actually, I told you, it's a network issues.
Okay, so
Not
now the
clearly.
voice is clear. Just tell me, or I'll repeat
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. Now voice is coming clearly.
Okay, if in between you are not able to listen to the voice, now just unmute your mic or leave a comment. Okay, in the chat.
Okay, okay, okay.
Fine. So I'll quickly repeat. So the basic understanding you should have about the three things which are very important, and we'll be taking a trade based on that. Okay. So we need to understand what is ATM, that is at the money option, OTM, that is out the money option, and after that what is in the money option. So this is three things which we need to understand, and that is what I was repeating. Okay. If you see on the call side, this is the option chart, right? This is NSE website. Once you'll go and click on this market data, you'll see a option chain option here. So once you'll click on that, you will see this option. I mean this page you will see, and here you'll see get a Nifty option chain. In that you'll see half. If you just see the left part, this is call side. Okay. So if you see, there is a colored part on the upper side and the uncolored part on the down side. Whichever part is not colored, that is the down part, is in the money option, that out the money option. Okay, these strike price have not been touched by the Nifty, and Nifty is approaching them. So this is all OTM options. Okay, and the option strike price which is between OTM and ITM, that is this price 10,900, is my at the money option. So the Nifty is somewhere here, so that is at the money option, ATM. And whichever strike price is above ATM, that is 10,900, which is 10,850, 800, 700, 750, 700, all these strike price are my in the money option, ITM we call them. Okay, so everything above the ATM, that is this thing, is my in the money option, and whatever is below that, this white part if you see, is OTM. This is call side. Clear, Ashutosh? The same thing I have mentioned here. If you see the call side, this is the ATM 10,900, ITM is 10,850, and OTM is 10,950. Fine, Rajesh, you want to say something? Your mic is on. Okay, you are losing your voice. Mm-hmm. Okay, Rajesh, you do one thing. You once leave the meeting and join again with the same link. I think then it will be
Okay.
fine. It will be fine for you, because
No, no.
if you,
Is it me only who is facing the
yeah, I
problem?
think you are only facing, because now Ashutosh and everyone else is fine with it.
Okay.
You do
Okay.
one
Okay.
thing.
Let's continue.
Yeah, leave the meeting and join again with the same link.
All right. Okay. I'll see if I don't get your voice, I'll do that again. Okay. Let's continue.
Fine, fine. So Ashutosh, I hope you are clear. Now I'll tell you about put. Okay. So same thing, but it is exactly the opposite of call side. So once you see the option chain, you can find this option in your broker as well. If you are using Zerodha, Angel, or whatever you're using, you'll find this option chain there as well. And it will slightly look different, but you can find this ATM, ITM, and OTM options there as well. Fine. So if you see the put side, now I'm seeing the right side here. Right side here, this 10,950 is my ATM here. Fine. So this is the strike price which is exactly below the uncolored part. This is the uncolored part, right? So this 10,950 is my ATM at the money option, and whichever strike price is below that, this is exactly the opposite of this. So here whichever strike price was below, that was my out the money option, but here the scenario will change. Whichever strike price is below this will be my in the money option. Okay, and whichever strike price is above 10,950, that will be my out the money option. Clear? So same thing I have mentioned here. On the put side, ATM is at 10,950. Now if you see the chart, 10,950 is the ATM. Okay. And then ITM is 11,000. ITM is in the money option, right? So this is the in the money option which is below 10,950. That is in the money option, and 10,900, 850, 800 will be out the money option. Clear? Ashutosh, these three things are clear with you?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Fine. So this was the basic. This was the basic which requirement to understand the strategy. Now I'll be covering basically two strategies today related to index. That is only these strategy will only work in Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is index. Fine. So I'll start with a selling strategy which we do. You can do this in buying also, but in buying the accuracy is less. I'll start with the I'll start only with this. I'll start with the selling strategy first, and then I'll tell you how you can go on buying on this as well. Okay, we'll move to the charts now. So in this strategy, what we will doing is we'll be working only in OTM option. Okay, that is out the money option, and I'll tell you when you can buy and when you can sell in this. We'll be using 15 minutes time frame chart. Okay, if you want, you can just write down somewhere, keep a pencil and a pen with you. We'll be using 15 minutes time frame chart, and what we'll be doing, I'll tell you. How you will select the strike price and everything, I'll be telling you. Fine. So how you will be working on it, I'll tell you. And when this strategy will not work, that also I will tell you. First of all, on your chart, you should always have support and resistance of Nifty. Okay, so this is very basic. You can draw it by yourself, or I am regularly posting Nifty chart in my channel. You can copy it from there as well. So in this, you will be only doing OTM selling. Fine. And which strike price you will choose, I'll tell you. In this, you have to see first 15 minutes time frame candle. Okay. So this is Nifty chart. This is my first 15 minutes candle. Then you have to draw a range like this. Fine. Now I have drawn a range based on first 15 minutes candle. And if you see, the market has opened at somewhere 10,750. Right here, if you see here, you are seeing the price. I hope the screen is clear to you. Somebody is not able to see the screen, so tell me. Just tell me in the chat box if the screen is clear. Fine. So be spontaneous, guys. We won't be wasting much time then. See, this is the first 15 minutes candle. Now what I have to do is I will select a strike price first. So the market has opened at what price? 10,756. So that is 10,750 will be my ATM option. At the money option, now I have to select 150. If I want to go on the put side, I have to see I need a difference of 150 rupees. Okay. So according to this, if I need to select a strike price for the put side, I will select 10,600 put. Okay. If I want to sell a put, I will select 10,600 because the open price is at 10,750. Clear? That will be the OTM for put side. I hope you are getting what I am about to say. If I want to go, if the market is going up, I need to sell a call option. Okay. And then I have to select a strike price because this market has opened at 750. I will select a strike price which is 10,900, 150 above. Okay. And when you will buy and when you will sell, I will tell you. Try to concentrate now. See, whenever you are getting a breakout out of this range and you are getting a proper closing, that time you will, if the closing is above the range, that is on the upper side, you will sell a put option. Okay. And if the closing is below this, you will sell a call option. Fine. So if you see here, here I am getting a closing above the open range. Okay. So on this candle, I will sell a put option because the closing is above it and my strike price will be what? 150 minus the ATM option. So the ATM is 10,750. I will sell a put option of 10,600. Clear? So I'll write it here. So this is only selling. So I'm selling 10,600 put because I got a closing above the open range of first 15 minutes candle. Now see, in options, there are two things. You will get option seller earns money with two scenarios. One is he will earn money when the price will go up. If the price is not going up, still he will be making money by option, that is by time decay. Okay. So if the price is not going above this price also, so somewhere here I have sold the option of 10,600, I will be gaining money because the price is not substantially moving either on the down or the upside. And when I will earn money, that is when the price will start moving in the upward direction. So if the price is going upward, I will earn money after, due to the price movement. Okay. But if the price is not moving till this time, the price has not moved anywhere, so I will be earning money by time decay. Okay. In these types of scenario, you can easily earn around 500 rupees if the price is not moving in any direction. And if the price is moving up, then you can easily earn more money as well. And where will be your stop loss? Whenever you are getting a closing below the open range. If you have sold the PE option, so if I get a closing below this range, I will close all my position. And in most of the cases, because you are selecting an OTM option, your risk will be always 900 rupees. It will not be more than that if you are selecting the strike price properly.
One question, Kabir. So what you're saying here is we need to wait for the first 15 minutes candle and then wait for the next candle which breaks either the upside or the downside, right? That's
Now
right.
you have missed one point. I said closing, there should be a closing.
Yeah.
Whenever I am getting a closing above it, then I'll sell. Okay, so
Yeah.
on this candle I got a closing. Here only shadows were there. In this, and in this. And in this also only shadows were there. But in this candle I was able to get a closing.
No, even the fourth candle is closed, right? It just opened below that, but it closed above the 15
So
minute
I
candle.
need a closing. So you are telling this one, right?
Yeah,
So this is exactly at the line. So I can wait for some more confirmation. Okay.
okay, okay.
So the proper closing should be there.
With
Fine.
some volume probably.
Clear?
Okay.
Ashish, yeah, Rajesh, are you clear? So you should do this. So I do this every day, and I'll tell you what has happened on Friday. So till this time my profits were only around 300 to 400 rupees. This was all because of time decay. But then when the price has started moving up, I was able to make around 1500 rupees. That is on one lot I am telling you. Okay, practice with one lot, and always select the, see in this, if you select the strike price properly, your risk will be always around 10 to 12 points. That is around 900 rupees maximum you will lose. And you will only close your position if you get a closing below the open range. Now again I am stressing on this point, you will only wait for the closing. If you just see a shadow or the candle is reversing from here, you will not close your position. Clear? So here also, if you see, the price have gone little down, here also it has gone down, but I did not close my position because my stop loss is only when the price will close below this open range. This is this candle. So this part should be clear to you. So you will also not close and wait till the price is going above. So till this time I did not close because the open, my stop loss did not trigger. And then somewhere here I have closed my position because that was 315 around, and after that there is automatic square off. So you can also plan it like that. Now we'll see a different day.
Kabir, one question. So this is we're looking at Nifty spot chart, right? We should not look at the actual price, the one
So
which
in
is.
this you don't look at the actual price. The thing is you need to decide the strike price, but according to the cash chart.
So look at the cash chart and then identify, go to that option chain site, and then you pick the appropriate, minus 150 points.
Yeah, 150 points. Okay, so this is it. So you need to understand this is OTM of put option because the price is going up. You are able to
Right.
follow this?
Yeah, got it.
So this is the OTM of put side. This is OTM
Yes.
strategy.
Yeah, and this
Okay.
works on any day, right? Friday was
This
the
works
best
on
day.
any day. See, I have told you to do selling because I am also doing selling. This will work on buying, but on buying you should wait for perfect candle to close, which is moving above. So you should do buying in this. You will buy a put option now, call option now. That will be still, that will also be like an OTM only. So here the price going up. The opening was at 10,750. So what will be the OTM for call? 10,900 will be the OTM for call. But if you see, if you would have bought somewhere here, because of this thing, your premium meeting will be there and the buyers will not make money. Buyer will only make money when these types of scenario will come. Price is moving quickly towards one side. So that time, and buyer will earn money. But I have told you to do selling in this. So seller will earn money due to time decay as well and because of the movement as well. Clear? So I'll tell you what has happened. What has happened with me, I do this every day, so I'll tell you on which all days I made money and on which day I have lost my money. Okay, so this meeting link is getting expired in 5 minutes. So if the meeting gets discontinued, you have to click on the same link which was shared before and join back again. So this is a glitch of, not a glitch, this is a limitation in WebEx. Clear? So I was telling you about this. Ashutosh, you are following, right? I think Ashutosh is not able to listen or what.
Listening.
Fine, Ashutosh. So if you have any doubt, you can just ask me. Okay. So now we'll see a previous day. This is 16th July. That was 17th July, which I have told you. On 16th July, there was some scenario where we saw a good red candle. This is the open range of it. So this is 915 candle and this is the open range of it. Clear? So in this day I did not do my selling. Okay, so but I'll tell you which strike price which I have selected. So the close, if you see, the market has opened here, right? That is 10,700. Okay, so if the market was giving me a closing below it, I would have selected a call option of 10,850. Clear? 150 points above it. So this is 10,700. 150 point above it is 10,850. So I would have selected that strike price. And one more thing, on 16th it was a Thursday, that is the weekly expiry. So on weekly expiry, I will not be taking the expiry of that week, I will take the expiry of next week. Okay, so on 16th July, I will only trade in a expiry of next week. So next week's expiry you will find out. So 24th July expiry, I will be working. I was working on this 24th July expiry. So on that day, I did not get a closing out of the range. So market was range bound, and only after 3 o'clock I got this closing. So on that day, you would not have taken a trade. And if I was getting a closing below this, so I would be selecting a strike price of, the close is somewhere here now, 10,600 around. If I got a closing below it, I will what I will do is I will sell a call option of 150 points plus. So 10,700 is the opening price, and I would have to sell a call option because the price is going down. And I will select an OTM of this. So OTM will be around 10,850. Okay, and if the price was going above it, I will sell a put option of, similarly I will minus 150 point from this. So the OTM option of put side would be around 10,550 rupees. So that is what I will sell. Clear? So but here I got a closing only after 2:45. So I did not do selling in this. On this day I did not do selling because condition did not match. Clear? Now see this day. This is what? This is 15th July. Now again I'll draw open range. Clear? So I have drawn the open range. I got a closing above it. The opening was at what? 10,700. So if the price is giving me a closing above it, I will sell a put option, and the strike price which I will select is 10,550. Okay, so 10,550 strike price I will be selecting, and if you see the price have gone really good. In this day I made 1,500 rupees per lot. And where I have closed this position is that because the market was super trending that day, whenever I saw now it is reversing, and it is reversing from the good resistance, I have closed